between the two of you, I'd take them. She's a crocodile.